Okay, so if you all want to grab the kit that you have received, it should look like this. And we are going to take out everything that is in here. So the first thing will be this, which is your needle. You can see that. And you're just gonna set that aside. And then the next thing you'll want to take out is this string. There's two different pieces of string inside your kit. This string, it definitely has a different look and a different feel. The string, you want to just set that aside. And then the other string, the smoother string, looks like that. You want to set that aside in a different space. You should have two sets of string. Yeah. Okay. So you guys all have your beads on the string already. So in the future, when you get kits from me, you will get this piece of string, which is what your beads are already on. And then you will have this piece of string, which you all have, which is what will make your tassel, right? So I put all of your beads on your string already because that would have added like another hour to today's workshop. So I saved you that time. And I'm going to be showing you how to do that next so that in the future, if you choose to make more, you'll understand how to do that. It's very easy, very simple. I am going to show you how to do it. And because of how simple that is, I didn't want to take up that time. Okay. And then you're going to take out your beads. So they may be on string already like this, and they may all be loose, or some of them may be on string, some of them may be loose. So you just want to set them aside as well. And then you will have one larger bead that is not like the other beads, and that is your guru bead. So you want to set that aside as well. And then that is all of the components of your mala kit. So the first thing that we are going to go ahead and do is, now that we have everything laid out, so for you guys, if you lay everything out just so you can see everything, and then your kit looks like this, so your beads are already on this string. So if you just want to lay those out in front of you so that you can just kind of have a look at everything, make sure that you have everything, and make sure everything is good. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to clear our energy. Maybe we've had a crazy morning rushing around, making sure that we can get everything done and everything organized, and rushing to the computer to make sure we're on time. And we're just going to kind of let all of that rushy, busy, crazy morning things, we're just going to let all of that go so that we can really be in a peaceful space as we make our creation. So I'm actually going to stop recording, and then I'm going to start recording again.